What is up, guys? Dara here, and today we are gonna be playing the press Will you press the button? So guys, as you might have saw you probably didn't. There's a video coming up on Wonder Kids channel where I said that I will record a video, and here I am recording the video. So you become immortal and live happily on Earth for millions of years. But when the world is destroyed, you will float through space and for an entirely of loneliness. I mean, it's like a million years until the world is destroyed. And sure, I will press the button. Really? Really? Okay, let's just go to next. You are now able to turn invisible. Listen to me, guys. So invisible is not a good thing. No. The reason why, because your eyes will be invisible and you will be blind, because light will just pass through you and we can't see without light. So you will be blind while you are invisible, and that's totally not okay. You're now able to turn invisible whenever when you are invisible and watching someone, they will be extremely uneasy and know that someone is watching. I won't press the button. Yeah, those 15% are so stupid. Okay, let's go to the next one. No, stop with the apps. If you gain any superpower of your choice, aside from immortal, you'll use the ability to swim. Well, I can fly and don't need to swim. I will press the button. Yes. Not to the next one. Woman. LGBT. I don't know what does that mean. Again. Oh. Again in print. I can't pronounce that. Independence, freedom, ever gain equal rights and are respected. Mitt Romney becomes president. I don't know who the hell is that guy, but if it's a place like a bad thing, I don't want to press the button. And where will he be a president? In America, Anglia, in England? And I'm not for there. But I won't press the button. Yes, well? Okay. I don't know who that guy is. Stop with that! Okay. You will be able to turn into a person that is 15 meters tall. Why would I want that? I need to have a door like the whole building. You have to take orders from someone really short. No, I'm not pressing the button. Why would I want to be like 15 meters tall? I don't want that. Trust me, it's not fun. It's not fun. Next one. You can travel to any point in time in the past and be able to fit in it. You return your to your room time after a day and you cannot remember anything from your trip. Well guys, I will change my life. For example, if I had a B on a test, I can go back in time and do the test again, and I'll have an A, and I won't remember why, but I will have it. So I will press the button. Yes. Okay. Why? I'll. Bye bye. You live in the world of your favorite book. You're the villain. I mean, I can be Joker, and that's a pretty fun thing to be, right? I will press the button. Yes. 61% of the people did. Next one, you'll receive the best television package with the video on demand for free. My Little Pony can come on any channel. No, I don't want that. I hate My Little Pony, and I don't know why. I know I won't press the button. What? Who wants to watch My Little Pony? Including all the girls. The little girls. Okay, let's get to the next one. Bye bye. I don't want to download it again. What just happened? You're the most sociable person ever. You have to say hashtag YOLO swag at the end of every sentence. What? What? I will press the button. Hashtag YOLO swag. But you keep saying hashtag YOLO swag at the end of every sentence, even after you said hashtag YOLO swag, because that's the end of the sentence then. So you will say hashtag YOLO swag to the end of your life. So I don't want to do that. You will be the most beautiful person in the world. Everybody who looks at you goes blind. Well, how am? Does that mean that if I look to myself in a mirror, I will be blind? I mean, why would I be beautiful if no one can see me? I mean, that's not a good point. So yeah, one press the button. No, don't share. Don't share. Next. Stop it. You're God. You have to answer all the prayers on earth. Well, that's pretty much what God does. Nope. Nope. I mean, it will be like you work 24/7. I won't press the button. 50-50, damn. Okay, let's get to the next one. You could live anywhere in the world you want. Your hometown would be destroyed. And why would I want to live there? Like really? I won't press the button. What the hell? Let's get to the next one. And this is the final one, because this video is like 10 minutes or so. You can heal anything and everything. You will get what you healed 3 times worse for 1 hour after. So if someone died and I heal him, and what's worse than dying? I don't know. I don't know. I won't press the... Okay, so that's all the time I have for this episode, guys. I'm gonna make another one, maybe tomorrow. Maybe I will do one episode every day, or a few if I have enough time. So yeah, goodbye guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.